time working on the larger size, now's the time to tackle that phone pocket. Retrieve your back body piece and one phone pocket piece. And place your phone pocket piece right side down onto your body, centered between the two straps, or the one strap between the two pieces. And pin. And now we'll pop over to the machine. Bend your strap well out of the way and stitch with your full seam allowance. Now that we've stitched that top edge, clip a few notches into the curve here at the top. Make sure you don't snip right into your stitching. Once you've clipped your notches into the top edge of your phone pocket, you need to press the phone pocket away from your body. If you are using vinyl, you'll need to make sure that you don't touch it with your hot iron, otherwise you'll melt it. Once you've pressed that, head over to your machine and top stitch 3 mils 1/8 of an inch from your seam on your phone pocket side. Just to your top stitch length. Kind of pull the pocket away so it it doesn't roll over on the seam while you stitch. Retrieve your gusset assembly and your second phone pocket piece. Now we're just going to mark the top edge center of your phone pocket. Now we also need to mark the rear gusset center. To choose your rear gusset, you'd have to decide which side you'd like to open your bag from when you're carrying it. I like to carry mine on my right side, and I like the zipper to open from the front. So I place the zipper here on my right and mark this back gusset. Now match up your phone pocket to your marks, right sides together, pin into place. You might like to pin that lining gusset out of the way so you don't get it caught in your stitching. And now we'll head to the machine and stitch this seam using your normal seam allowance. Make sure your your stitch length is back to your normal 2.4 stitch length. press your phone pocket away from your gusset assembly. Now head back to the machine and we're going to top stitch 3mm from the seam on the phone pocket side. Set your stitch length back to your 3.1 top stitch length. Now as you stitch, kind of pull that foam pocket away so it stops the seam from rolling there. I'd like $1 for every thread end. Turn your gusset assembly wrong sides out. So your lining's just hanging down that way out of the road. Your foam pocket's upwards. Now grab your exterior body with the foam pocket attached. Now we're going to match up, flip it over so it's right sides together. We're going to match the foam pocket up. Like that. Now stick a pin into your assembly about 1 inch from the foam pocket on either side. And now pin your foam pocket pieces together. Like so. See your straps out of the way, and linings down out of the way. Now we need to make a mark 1 centimetre or 3/8 of an inch in from the side edge of your pocket on the seam line on both sides of the pocket. Like that. And now we're going to go to the sewing machine and stitch. We'll start about here and we'll stitch to there, and then we'll stitch up, across, down to that point there, and about 3/4 of an inch out to here. Start about 3/4 of an inch back from the edge of your foam pocket. Stitch to the mark that you made. Pivot. Pivot. give it stitch out about 3/4 of an inch. And there we have our phone pocket.